Hey guys, welcome on in. It is April 15th, and can you believe we are halfway through another school week? Now, I hope you're getting rest and you're staying healthy and you're ready to go today. To recap, yesterday you guys should have read Chapter 2 of The Outsiders, done your gist notes, a little bit of character mapping using that Quizlet. If you didn't do that, then I highly recommend you go back, do that before you get to Chapter 3 for obvious reasons. Now, you're going to have a reading quiz tomorrow, and that reading quiz is going to happen generally on every Thursday, and that reading quiz can cover any of the chapters you should have read in the school week. Okay, so I want to be certain you guys are aware that every day's reading matters, every day's reading counts, and the results will show up, and you only get one crack at these quizzes, so you got to make sure that you're ready. Okay, now today we're going to be working on Chapter 3, April 15th, Wednesday Learning, so click there. And when it opens up, you're going to see task 1 is read chapter 3 and complete gist notes. You have a second task for a class discussion. Highly recommend this because it'll help deepen your understanding of the book, but it is an optional discussion. And you cannot enter this discussion until you've read chapter 3, or rather, let me rephrase, you should not enter this discussion until you've read chapter 3. To access it, you click on that link. And there are discussion rules posted, and they are be respectful to everyone, stay on topic, no cafeteria talk, and I will be reading through these, so just keep in mind if you say anything inappropriate or you're not following the rules of discussion, your citizenship grade will be impacted by that. So please follow the rules of discussion, be responsible. Okay, now the next thing is this. If you've never used this in Canvas before, it's really simple to use. There's a few questions that I'd like you to focus on, and then to reply, you're going to click there, and you can type in your answers right in this text box. Okay? When you're ready to post, you would click Post Reply, and then your post will show up. Keep in mind, you cannot see what others have said until you post, so keep that in mind going forward. The other thing I need to talk to you about before I get finished with this video today is gist notes. Now, to access gist notes, it's really simple. Go to the Outsiders gist notes if you have not done this already, and you should see this document showing up. If you're not seeing this document show up, just like you do right here, there's a problem. Okay, this should be showing up, and if it's taking a little longer to load, then give it some time. Not everybody's Wi-Fi is as fast as the next person's. If it's still not showing up and you don't have access to be able to do your gist notes, please reach out to me. Email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org. Okay? And once again, I only need these gist notes submitted on May 7th. I don't need them coming in every single day. They only get submitted one time. However, you should be summarizing every chapter as you read throughout the book and putting in a chapter title, just like you see on this example for each day. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Good luck, and we will see you back tomorrow. Remember, you have a quiz, so get your reading done.